Most make money online advice will keep you broke, not because it's fake, because it skips step 1. There's a specific order to this. 7 methods, each one unlocking the next. Get the order right and everything compounds. Get it wrong and you'll be watching videos like this one a year from now. Let me show you the right order. I'm gonna tell you about the smartest thing you can do with YouTube that almost nobody does. Forget the AI voiceover slideshows. Forget the top 10 videos made in 45 minutes. YouTube has been quietly cracking down on what they call inauthentic content. That's code for mass-produced videos with no original value. And channels built on that model are getting hit. And here's what does work. And it's almost embarrassingly simple. You become the person who explains one thing really well every week. That's it. You don't need to show your face. You don't need a studio. You need a screen recording, a decent mic, and one problem you understand better than a beginner does. Think about it like this. Someone right now is typing, "How do I start a simple online business?" into YouTube search. They don't want a 45-minute masterclass. They want the answer to one small piece of that question delivered clearly in under 12 minutes. You make that video, then the next piece, then the next. By week 8, not week 1, week 8, one of those videos starts pulling 50 to 100 views a day from search. Not viral, not exciting, but steady, like a faucet that just keeps dripping. And that drip, that's where things get interesting. Here's the move most people miss. You don't wait for YouTube ad revenue to make YouTube worth it. Ads are the ceiling, not the floor. Your real monetization starts on day 1 with a link, a free checklist, a template, anything useful that makes someone think, "I want more from this person." One video, one freebie, one paid offer behind it. I'll show you exactly what that offer looks like in a minute. But first, the thing that poisons this entire model if you're not careful. There's something I call the 2-filter test, and if you skip it, you fall right into YouTube's demonetization danger zone. Here it is. Before you publish any video, ask yourself 2 questions. Could this video have been made by anyone about anything with no actual expertise? If yes, it will either get ignored or flagged. Fix it. If I were a complete beginner watching this, would I feel like I actually learned something I couldn't find in 30 seconds on Google? If no, add one specific example, one real scenario, one honest take that only you could give. Pass both filters every time. That's your insurance policy. So you've got your YouTube content working. People are watching. A few are clicking your link. Now, what are they clicking to? This is where digital products come in. A digital product is proof. It's proof that you can organize information in a way that helps someone. It's proof that you know enough about one thing to package it. And honestly, the act of building it will teach you more about your own knowledge than anything else. Here's what your first product should be. A start here guide. One outcome, one audience, under 10 pages. Example, your first Faceless YouTube workflow. 6 sections. What niche to pick, 10 video ideas, a script template, a voice checklist, an editing checklist, an upload checklist. That's a Google Doc. Export it as a PDF. Price it at $19 on Gumroad. And Gumroad handles the tax side for you, which saves beginners a real headache. Now, week 2, you add a $29 Notion tracker and you have a small product suite. 6 weeks in, you're doing 5 sales a week. That's $145 total. Not life-changing, but it's real money. And you built it in a weekend. Here's the rule though. Do not sell something you can't support. Small, specific, and genuinely useful every time. Now, we need to talk about something that makes people uncomfortable. If you're waiting for passive income before you've earned active income, you're gonna be waiting for a while. The fastest path to real money online is still trading skill for cash. And freelancing, done in a smart way, doesn't mean grinding 80-hour weeks. It means 1 or 2 good clients who pay you consistently while your other methods are still warming up. Here's what's in demand right now: video editing, short form repurposing, thumbnail design, script writing, simple landing page setup. You don't need to be the best in the world at any of these. You need to be reliable and getting better every week. The mistake everyone makes is mass messaging strangers. Please don't do that. That's how you get blocked and feel awful about yourself. Instead, pick one niche. Small coaches, local businesses, e-commerce stores. Just find one person. Offer them a free sample. Not your whole portfolio, just one 30-second short from their last video. Send it. If they like it, offer them a $100 starter package. One client at $500 a week is 4 or 5 clients total. That's entirely achievable in 30 days if you focus. Now, here's the method that sounds complicated but really isn't. High-ticket affiliate marketing. You recommend a product that genuinely helps your audience. When someone buys, you earn a commission. The reason this is worth paying attention to is you need fewer conversions to hit the same income number. Here are 2 real examples, and I'm not sponsored by either of these. I'm using them because they're genuinely good examples of how this works. SEMrush pays affiliates between $50 and $300 per sale, plus a $10 for free trial signups. Liquid Web's affiliate program can pay up to $1,500 per sale with a $150 minimum payout. You can see why even 1 or 2 conversions a month changes the math significantly. But here's the catch. And there's always a catch. Nobody buys high ticket from someone they just met. Trust is the currency, which is why your YouTube content, which is your trust engine, and your affiliate offers are a perfect pair. Don't make videos titled, "Buy this now." Make tutorials about how to find keywords in 10 minutes with SEMrush. What actually matters for website speed. You want to let people discover the product through value, not through pressure. And always disclose every single time. The FTC is watching and they're clear on this. YouTube also has its own disclosure requirements. Then there's the quieter cousin of high-ticket affiliate, recurring software affiliate. Same idea, smaller commissions, but they compound every month. You refer someone to an email tool or an SEO platform. They keep paying, you keep earning. By month 3, you've referred 20 customers at $8 a month each. That's $160 a month. Month 6, it's 80 customers. Now, we're talking $640 a month, and you haven't even created anything new. This is the compounding effect. It doesn't feel like much at first, and that's exactly why most people quit before it gets good. Let me be blunt about theme pages, because a lot of people get burned here. The version that works is you build a niche page around a real topic like productivity, personal finance, a hobby. You post original content, you use your own graphics, and occasionally you reshare content you have explicit permission to share. The version that gets your account nuked though is when you repost random clips you found on the internet and hope the owners don't notice. Instagram's own policies are crystal clear. Posting copyrighted material without permission isn't allowed. One strike is annoying, multiple strikes, and your entire page disappears. The clean version done right is by day 60 with consistent posting, you can have 5,000 followers in a niche. One paid placement per week at $75, properly disclosed, is $300 a month. Stack that with affiliate links and your own templates, and you've got a real supplemental income stream. Okay, everything we've talked about today leads here. A funnel isn't a complicated marketing concept. It's just a path. Someone watches your video, they click a link, they get something free that actually helps them. They trust you enough to pay $29 for the next step. You follow up by email with something even more valuable. You can build this in a weekend with one checklist freebie, one $19 to $49 template pack, and one email sequence. You don't need a fancy website. You need a link, a landing page, and an email capture. Simple tools like GetResponse or Aweber do everything you need. I'll link both below. YouTube feeds this funnel over and over automatically as your video library grows. Alright, let's wrap up. 7 methods, 1 ladder. You don't need to do all 7. You need to pick a primary lane and 1 support lane and commit to them for 90 days. If you're a complete beginner, the simplest combo is this: Faceless YouTube as your engine and 1 digital product or 1 affiliate offer as your first monetization layer. That's it. That's the whole system. Drop a comment with which lane you're choosing. Just say YouTube, digital product, or services. If you tell me your niche, I'll reply with 3 video ideas that actually make sense for your topic. And if you're serious about skipping the guessing phase entirely, I have a private community where I'll personally help you pick your niche, fix your scripts, and get your first monetization live. Not in theory, but in practice. The link's below. See you in the next one.